Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Minimalistic Face Wash. So let's get started. This one is 100 ml pack, MRP is $299 and I got it from Amazon for $269 with a 10% discount. You won't get much discount on this product anywhere. And the shelf life is 18 months, and this product is suitable for both men and women above 15 years old. To open, there is a seal here, tear to open, and here is our face wash. All the details, ingredient, direction, expiry dates are given on this pack also, and it comes with a flip-flop cap. Though it's a gel based, its consistency is watery, just like water in look and texture, and it's paraben free, sulfate free and fragrance free also, with a pH level of 4.5 to 5.5. Okay, it contains salicylic acid and LHA, which goes deep into the pores to remove dirt and excess oil and give you a acne free skin. And to use, take the sufficient amount, gently massage it on your wet face. Creates lather, a soft airy lather, not too much but enough to clean the face, and rinse it off well with water. You won't feel a slippery soap layer on your skin. It completely clears excess oil, dirt or sweat without making the skin feel dry or tight. But this product is not for dry skin. However, if you have oily or acne prone skin, you should definitely try this product. Negative is just one thing, the consistency. Be careful while dispensing or it might come out too much. For oily skin, you can try it twice a day, morning and the night. And if you have sensitive or acne prone skin, you should definitely try this product. You will notice a difference in just few weeks. So this is a solid product. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.